So our before lecture we are starting in a genetic engineering, that is a unit number second, and we are starting the point is that the DNA libraries, and we are discussing the genomic library. So our DNA library. So today's lecture we are discussing the in this the library is the another point remaining from these yesterday's points, that is a cDNA library. cDNA library. Full form of this the cDNA library is that the complementary DNA library. So it is another important for their storaging of that our the interested foreign DNA into this the vector. जे आपण मागच्या लेक्चर मध्ये पाहिलं होतं त्याच्यामध्ये जे DNA लायब्ररी होती. ओके, सो इन दिस द आल्सो सेम इज दैट, बट इन दिस द important from the different from this the DNA and the cDNA library is that it is a complementary. We are know that in this the जर तुम्ही DNA चे replication पाहिलं असेल, so in this the stand this there is a two stands, one is the leading and the lagging stand. So in this the replication process one stand it is act as a template for their synthesis, okay, for new stand. So same is that the cDNA. So firstly of the cDNA, जर cDNA आपल्याला पाहिजे असेल तर सर्वात अगोदर आपल्याला काही प्रोसेस पाहावी लागते. You know about the replication. In this the replication, the central dogma of the protein synthesis, the first is that the replication, then to the transcription, then to the translation. It is a central dogma of the protein synthesis. So firstly the replication occurs. So in this the two strand of the DNA, it is either separating out, there are the different types of the process are allow for this the replication process. Then to the transcription. In this the transcription process there are the our the important is that the mRNA synthesis. काय होतो मग याच्यानंतर याच्यात mRNA synthesis होतो, and this process is known as a transcription. After the transcription, then is the next process is that the translation is the protein synthesis. So in this that the cDNA, it is a complementary type of the DNA. It means that in this the transcription process are the mRNA is formed. इथे काय होतो mRNA काय होतो फॉर्म होतो in this the process of transcription. So in this the process the mRNA is firstly isolated for their synthesis of the complementary DNA. आपण काय करतो याच्यातलं काय करतो mRNA firstly isolate करतो. In this the mRNA is then converted into the cDNA, means the complementary to the mRNA. So its name is suggests that the cDNA library means is a complementary to our mRNA. It is a product of our transcription process. So तर याच्यामध्ये एक फायदा काय आहे आपल्याला, जे की mRNA म्हणजे सो जर तुम्ही आपलं जेनेटिक लेवल माहिती असेल तर डीएनएचे जे टू स्टँड्स असतात तर त्याच्यामधले काहीचे जे हे आहेत काय म्हणतात त्याचे सिक्वेन्स. सो सम सिक्वेन्स आर द एक्सप्रेस बट आर द सम सिक्वेन्स आर द नॉट एक्सप्रेस. In this the process the mRNA is a beneficial is that because of this the transcription process there are the only functional gene expression are the express. It means that these gene expression products are to produce the proteins. Okay, it is our interested in that the product, not into the another non-coding sequences, coding sequences. तर याच्यामध्ये काय होतो जेव्हा we are know about the in the transcription post transcription modification, in this the post transcription modification that is that the mRNA modification can be occur for the various purposes like the tailing process, splicing process. Okay, in this the some are the one of the important thing is that the in this the mRNA there are present the exons, introns, okay, coding sequences, non-coding sequences. So in this the all the are the introns are the removing by the post transcription translation machinery. So in this the we are isolating the pure form of the mRNA, means it is a product formed mRNA. In this the product from mRNA, we are synthesizing the cDNA library into the artificially also. Okay, it is naturally occur also, but in the molecular biological level we are carried out in the in vitro condition. So in this the mRNA is converted into the cDNA, means the complementary DNA. The enzyme is responsible for that the synthesis, that is a reverse transcriptase. ही जी प्रोसेस आहे, mRNA is converted into the complementary DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. The enzyme they carry the work is that the reverse transcriptase, means it is carry the reverse work. आपण पाहतो जसे की पॉलिमरेज असतात ते काय करतात, फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन बॅकवर्ड डायरेक्शन वर्क करत असतात. तो इन दिस दे आर सिंथेसाइजिंग द पॉलिमरेज वर्क इज दॅट ओके डीएनए पॉलिमरेज जे काय असतात टू सिंथेसाइजिंग द आरएनए फ्रॉम एज अ टेम्पलेट एज अ डीएनए, but reverse transcriptase it is carry the reverse work like that the polymerase, DNA polymerase. It synthesizing the DNA through the mRNA as a template, so it is known as a reverse transcriptase. जे transcriptase means the product it's formed in this the transcription level, so it's converted into the complementary DNA. कळालं? cDNA library. So which are the process are carried out for the cDNA library? The first is that cDNA library आपण कसं प्रिपेअर करतो त्याच्या स्टेप्स आहेत. So we are discussing the steps one by one. Okay. To firstly to extract the RNA, means the mRNA. So in this the transcription level there are only the mRNAs are the present in the cell? No. In this the cell there are present the mRNA, rRNA, tRNA. There are the different types of the RNA are present into the cellular system. It present all other thing is that some enzymes, some ribosomes, okay, some DNA, okay, there are present, but our interested point for the cDNA library preparation is that only the pure form of the mRNA is required to synthesizing the complementary DNA to that the template stack. Okay. तो firstly आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, extracted the cellular material RNA, extracted cellular RNA. The first process for the extracted the cellular RNA. सेल्युलर मध्ये जे आरएनए आहे ते आपल्याला एक्सट्रॅक्ट करायचं आहे. म्हणजे आता त्या मिक्सचर मध्ये आपल्याला काय आहे, आरएनए आहेत, डीएनए आहेत, रायबोसोम्स आहेत, काही एन्झाइम्स आहेत, लायझोसोम्स आहेत, प्रोटीन्स आहेत काही. ओके. The various materials are the present in that the cellular system, but our focus point is that our interested is that only the RNA, means only mRNA. There are the different types of the RNA are present in the cellular system, but our focus on that the only the mRNA, because it is a functional coding proteins, because for it is a functional coding proteins in that the cellular system, and our focus is that only the mRNA isolation. So firstly we are know about the various types of the enzymes are also available for treatment in the this type of the DNA, ribosomes, RNA, but according to the another process for using only for the mRNA extraction, so not harboring to the other cellular components, so we are using the some techniques. It is a column. In this the column एक काय करायचं, आपण कॉलमन घ्यायचा आणि त्याच्यामध्ये काय असणार, थायमिन, जे थायमिन न्यूक्लियोटाइड असतात ते त्याच्यात बाइंड असणार. थायमिडिन बॉन्ड आर प्रेजेंट इन दैट द column. So firstly we are arranging the one column, and in this the column we are binding the T dimer onto that the column. After this this column, so we are adding the our cellular material. In this the cellular material it contain the RNA. and in this the mRNA, okay, in mRNA it contains the adenine base pairs, okay. So naturally is that the adenine is paired with the thymine and guanine is paired with the cytosine, okay. In this the process, the mRNA, we are putting this the mRNA into this the column. The result is that the AT bonding is formed. The hydrogen bonding is occurred between the adenine and the thymine. It forms the dimer, and in this the result is that the other materials are the eliminated. Means the DNAs, proteins, tRNA, rRNA, all are the eliminated into this the column, and in this the column only our the interested product is that the only mRNA. Means it is binding to the column and form the hydrogen bonding between the adenine and the thymine. After this, the next process, is that elimination of RNA, mRNA. हे कॉलमन आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये आपलं ॲडेनिन थायमिन डायमर फॉर्म झालेला mRNA आहे. तर आता आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, याच्यातलं जे mRNA बॉन्ड झालेला आहे तो काय करायचा आहे, इलिमिनेट करायचा. इट मीन्स रिझल्ट्स दॅट द mRNA रिलीज इनटू द कॉलमन इनटू आवर द चेंबर, ओके, our extracted chamber. So we are using the buffer. We are using the buffer. According to this, the using of this the buffer, the environmentals are the changes, the hydrogen bond are the breakdown, and these that the our the interested mRNA are releases into the our extracted chamber. So next process is that after the elimination of the mRNA from to the chamber, so these are the two process are the purification process, not the synthesis process. These are the two process are the purification process. Then to the next, to synthesize cDNA, to synthesize the complementary DNA. Here over the focus point for the cDNA library preparation. Here our the mRNA, so we are extracted, we are purifying our the mRNA. Then to adding the reaction mixture. Here is the reaction mixture are occur in the tubes. So here is the mRNA. Then to the next is that the our enzymes. Then to the oligonucleotides, DN, ATP, GTP, TTP, CTP. There are the 4 nucleotide or the bases, nucleotide bases are added into that the reaction mixture. After this the adding, so we are carry out this the reaction. After the reaction, there are the synthesis in the complementary DNA. In this the enzyme reverse transcriptase, it is reading to the mRNA and to the synthesizing the complementary DNA. Complementary DNA, it is a single stranded DNA. It is a complementary to the our interested mRNA. And these are the some nucleotides. These are using these some nucleotides. They are adding the bases to that the complementary to the mRNA in that the reaction mixture. The reaction is carried for the some minutes. After the some minutes, there are the product are formed. That is our product. Interested product is that the complementary DNA into the reaction mixture. So after this the adding the reaction mixture. So in this the our interested point is only the cDNA, means the complementary DNA. Not interested in the RNA. In this the are the end of this the synthesis, their formation of the loop. End of this the process, this is the formation of the loop. So to loop is formed, so it is a cutting of this the loop. We are using the enzymes like the RNase. RNA, it is a degrading the mRNA into the reaction mixture, and it is a cutting the loop formed at the end of that the two strand. So after this the using this the enzyme, there are the only the interested complementary DNA are present in that the reaction mixture. Then we are purifying this the complementary DNA from the reaction mixture, and we are cloning. We are cloning this the complementary DNA into the suitable vector. Clone into vector. The complementary DNA are the isolated. Then to their cloning purposes, we are adding into the vectors. We are know about the various types of the vector. So bacteriophages vector, plasmids vector, cosmids vector. In this, the especially the viruses are the using for their complementary DNA are entered into the host for their replication purposes. मग आपण काय करू शकतो याच्यात viruses जास्त करून यूज करतात for their host replication process. In they are entrapped into the bacteriophages. Those the viruses are the entry into the bacteria. Okay. Especially these viruses are not produce the lytic cycle. So these viruses are produce the lysogenic cycle. So we are choosing this type of the viruses for their interaction into the host. For which purposes? For their replication purposes, and to produce the more copies of that of the interested product into that the host cells. मग आपण काय करणार? डिफरंट प्रोसेस यूज करणार, जसे की लायगेशन्स आहेत, जसे की ब्लंट एंडिंग मॅचअप आहेत. मग ते आपण काय करणार? इन विट्रो कंडिशनमध्ये फॉर्म करणार. देन टू दे आर इंटर इंटू द स्पेसिफिक होस्ट और नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. सपोज the vector it is a good for the autonomous replication, so we are not introduced into the host. So before to our some laboratories, some workers, some researchers are we are isolating this type of this the cDNA for the gene expression of that products. So this time we are producing the extra copies into the in vitro condition, and then to the give up that for interest. Okay, so here we are completed cDNA library. Okay, what is a cDNA library? कळालं का? cDNA library, it is a complementary DNA into the specially mRNA into the reaction or into the cellular system. So we are carrying out the 4 steps for their isolation. So firstly, extracted the cellular material. In this the cellular material, our the interested point is that the mRNA. Then the elimination of mRNA purposes, we are using the Koloman purification process. In this the Koloman purification process, so we are isolating the our pure form of the mRNA. After the formation of the mRNA, we are synthesizing the in vitro condition, that is a complementary DNA with the help of the enzymes and the 4 nucleotide bases. Then to add the complementary DNA synthesis, then isolate of this the complementary DNA into the reaction mixture, then to the clone into the specific vector. For which purposes? For produce the extra copy of our the interested material. Okay, so here we are completed the cDNA library. So our DNA library point are the covered. Okay, so next lecture we are starting the next point in the unit 2nd of genetic engineering.